Hello students, in this class we will talk about the second part of solution exercise 1.4 chapter first set class 11 NCERT maths. Okay, in first part what we have solved till question number 6. Okay, and this part we will start with question number 7. So what is question number 7? We are given four sets, set A, set B, set C and set D, and we have to find out the value of these things. I have taken till question number 3 here. Okay, so what are the sets? First we have to write down the tabular form of the given sets. Okay, so first of all, suppose I'm taking a is equals to what? X such that x is a natural number. X is a natural number, that means 1 2 3 4 and dot dot, this is the set. Okay, then b is equals to what? X such that x is an even natural number only. X will be the even natural number only. So what are the even natural numbers? 2 4 6 8 dot, 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 dot. These are the even natural number. And c is equals to what? X such that x is an odd natural number. X will be the odd natural number. That means what? 1 3 sorry 4 not 5, okay, 7 9, okay, 11 dot, 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 dot. Odd natural number. And d is equals to what? X such that x is a prime number. X will be the prime number. That means what? 2 3 5 7, then 9 not 10 11 12 13 and like this. Okay, so we have made four sets. Now from this four sets we have to find out these answers. Okay, so what is the first question? A intersection B. What will be the A intersection B? Now you can see this is the set of natural number. That means here all even natural number and all odd natural numbers we are having in this set A. But in set B we are having what? All the even natural numbers only. So what will be the common element of A and B? What will be the common element of A and B? Obviously these are the common elements because these are having in set A, and also odd natural numbers are having in set A, but these are the part only even natural number. So obviously it is 2 4 6 8 dot dot. That means which set it is? B. Okay, now A intersection C. A intersection C. A is equals to this one. That means the set of all natural numbers, and C is equals to what? Set of odd natural numbers. And we know this is set of natural number, means this set is contains set A contains all the even natural numbers and all the odd natural numbers. Okay, so that what you can tell, these are the only odd natural numbers and these are odd and even both natural numbers. So what will be the common between these two sets A and C? What are the common elements? That means all the odd natural numbers, because these are having in this set A, and also even natural numbers in set are there in set A. So we can tell 1 3 5 7 9 11, these are the common elements. That means x is an odd natural number and these are all natural numbers. So odd natural number will be the common for the both set. That means what? 1 3 5 7 9 11 dot, dot, dot. What is this set? This set is equals to C. Okay, now A intersection D. A intersection D. So x will be A is equals to what? A is a set of all natural numbers and D is a set of prime number. Now you can see in the natural number we are having all the prime numbers. In the natural number we are having all the natural numbers. So that what are the common elements between A and D? Obviously all the prime numbers, because in the natural number we are having all the prime numbers also. So prime elements means prime numbers will be the common element between A and D. दोनों सेट में प्राइम नंबर कॉमन आएगा. क्यों? क्योंकि जो नेचुरल नंबर का सेट है उसमें प्राइम नंबर भी आता है. ठीक, तो प्राइम नंबर कॉमन हो जाएगा. दैट मीन्स व्हाट? एक प्राइम नंबर. सो व्हाट आर द प्राइम नंबर्स? 3 2 3 5, 7, 11, 13. This is the prime numbers. And what is the set it is? Set D. Okay. So pause the video to note it down. Now we have to find out B intersection C. So what is the set B? Set B is equals to, B is an even natural number and C is equals to odd natural number. So we know that there is no any common element for even natural number and odd natural number because there is no any element, no any number which is even as well as odd. ऐसा कोई नंबर नहीं है जो इवन है और ऑड भी है, ऐसा कोई नंबर नहीं है. So that what we can tell, B intersection C, that means we have to take common element of B and C, and there is no any common element, and no common element means set equals to 5. B intersection C is equals to 5. Now question number 5, B intersection D. B means what? B means even natural number, and D means what? D is a prime number. So we know there is only one number which is even as well as prime, which is even as well as prime. So what is that? This is 2. This is what? 2 is the only number which is even number and also prime, which is even number also prime. So there is only one common element between A and D. So only one. Clear? Now 6, C intersection D. C means odd natural number and D means prime number. So we know only some numbers are there, those are odd and prime also. You can check here. Here 3, 5, 7, 11, okay. Then here 13, but 9 is not there. Okay, you can get here 15, will not get. Okay, so how you can identify? That means some of the elements are common and some of the elements are not, and there is no any sequence. There is no any sequence that we can find out, we can identify the common elements. यहाँ पे कोई सीक्वेंस भी ऐसा नहीं है कि आइडेंटिफाई कर सके कि ये सीक्वेंस से ये एलिमेंट्स हमको मिलेगा, कॉमन एलिमेंट्स. लेकिन कॉमन एलिमेंट्स है. देन हाउ टू फाइंड आउट, हाउ टू राइट, मीन्स वी कैन see these some elements are common there in both set, but how we can write? Then in this type of question you have to write set builder form. Correct? You have to, in this type of question, that means you cannot find out the you cannot write all the elements because this is infinite set, both are infinite set, so you cannot write all the elements, but there are some elements, those are common in both set, but you cannot write all the elements and you are not having a proper way to find out the elements, common elements. So in that case you have to write the set builder form. And what is the set builder form? X, such that X is an odd prime number. Odd prime number. करेक्ट. अब यहाँ पे ढूंढो जो ऑड और प्राइम दोनों ही है उसको ढूंढो. 1 क्या है? ऑड है लेकिन प्राइम नहीं है तो 1 नहीं होगा. 3 प्राइम है, ऑड भी है, ऐसा ऑड है, प्राइम भी है, 3 आएगा. 5 ऑड प्राइम दोनों है. सपोज 15 ऑड है, हाँ ऑड है, प्राइम है, नहीं है तो नहीं आएगा. क्लियर? So pause the video to note it down. Now question number 8. Which of the following pairs of sets are disjoint? Disjoint means what? What is the condition of disjoint? If A intersection B is equals to 5, then A and B disjoint. I told you. Okay, if A intersection B is equals to 5 means if two sets are not having any common element. If two sets are not having any common element, then they are disjoint set. Okay, अगर दोनों सेट का कोई common element नहीं रहेगा तो वो disjoint set होगा. Okay, now we have to check here where the intersection of two sets equal to 5, and in each question we are having what? Two sets. Clear? So first question is what? 1 2 3 4, and second set is what? X is a natural number and 4 less than equal to x less than equal to 6. So first of all, write down this 6 in tabular form, then it will be easy to compare the both set. Okay, so x is a natural number and 4 less than x, so 4 less than equal to x, so 4, it will start with 4 comma, and x less than equal to 6, so 5 and 6 also you have to take. Now these are the elements 1 2 3 4 and 4 5 6. So is there any common element? Yeah, 4. So therefore okay, so we can write here like this, that a is equals to let a is equals to this one and b is equals to this one. So here a intersection b is equals to what are the common elements? Only 4 is the common element, so it is not equal to 5, so that means a and b are not disjoint. Not equal to 5 means not disjoint. If equal to 5, then disjoint. Okay, now here a e I o u, and here c d e f. So you can see here e is the common element, so let a is equals to this set, b is equals to this set, therefore a intersection b is equals to what? Common element is what? E, therefore not equal to 5, therefore a and b are not disjoint. Okay, now question number 3. X is an even integer and x is an odd integer, so we can easily tell there is no any common integer which is even and odd also. Okay, we can easily tell that what, ऐसा कोई नंबर नहीं है जो इवन इंटीजर हो और ऑड इंटीजर भी हो. So there is no any common element, that means let a is equals to this set and b is equals to this set. So therefore here a intersection b is equals to what? 5, and 5 means therefore a and b are disjoint sets. Okay, so pause the video to note it down. Now question number 9. What had given here? We are given 4 sets a b c d. 4 sets we are given, and we have to find out the value of these things. Okay, and we have taken till question number 6 here. Okay, so what is it? A minus b, that means difference between two sets. That means we have to find out difference between a and b. So a minus b, that means what? A minus b will be a set where a minus b will be a set. It contains all the elements of a. It contains all the elements of a except the common elements of a and b only. Clear? a minus b क्या होगा? All the elements of a होगा, और वो छोड़ के क्या छोड़ के? a और b का common element छोड़ के सब a का element, सारा a का elements होगा. Clear? So a minus b, a is this one and b is this one. So what are the common elements here? Common elements 8 4 8 12 16 20 12 only common element 1 we have got, then 15 no, 18 no, 16 20 16 no, only one element we have got common, 12. So what are the elements? What are the elements of this difference is the set? We have to take all the elements of a except only 12, except only 12 छोड़ के सारा a का elements. क्यों? क्योंकि a से हम b को subtract कर रहे हैं. Okay, so 3 6 9 12 not 15 18 21, same to same. Question number B 2. A minus C, that means all the elements of A and except common elements of A and C only. All the elements of A except common elements of A and C only. So what are the common elements? Find it out. Okay, 6, then 12, then 2, 4, not 10, no, 14, no, 16, no. So what the elements we have got? A minus C. A minus C means all the elements of A except common elements of A and C only. So 3, 9, 15, 18, okay, then 21. A minus D. A minus D, that means all the elements of A except the common elements of A and D only. So what are the elements? What are the common elements of A and D? 5, no, 10, no, 15, yeah, 15, and 20, no. So only one we have got common element between A and D. What is it? 15. So except 15, all the elements we have to take here. 3, 6, 9, 12, sorry, 15 not, 18, 21. Okay. Question number B is 4. What is it? B minus A. B minus A, that means at the first position we are taking B, then minus A. That means all the elements of B except the common elements of B and A. All the elements of B except common elements of B and A. So what are the common elements of B and A? B and A. What are the common elements of B and A? So 12, okay. Then 15, no, 16, 21, no, only 12. So we have to take all the elements of B except 12. 4, 8, 16, 12. Clear? 5. C minus A. C minus A. So all the elements of C except the common elements of A and C. So what are the common elements? 12, okay, 6, okay, then only these are the two common elements. So first of all, C means all the elements of C except common elements of A and C. So 2, 4, 8, 10, 14 and 16. Now D minus A, same, all the elements of D except common elements of D and A. So what are the common elements of D and A? This is I think 15 only, no? 15 and 15, 5, 10, 20, 5, 10, no. Only 15 is the common element. So first of all D set, that means all the elements of set D except 15, that is 15 common. 5, 10, 20. Correct? So pause the video to note it down. Now question number 7 of 9. Okay. So B minus C. B minus C means what? B minus C. That means all the elements of B except the common elements of B and C only. All the elements of B except common elements of B and C only. So what are the common elements of B and C? 12. Yeah. Then 10, 4, 8, 16, 24, 8, 16, 20, yeah, 8 also, okay, 16 also, 4 also, okay, 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20 not there. So we have to take all the elements of B except only the common elements. So we have got here 4 common elements, only one element we are having left. So only one element will be here. Correct? B minus D, that means all the elements of B except the common elements of B and D. So what are the common elements of B and D? Common elements of B and D, 20, okay, 15, no, only 20. So we have to take all the elements of B common and except common. So 4, 8, 12, 16, okay, 4, 8, 12 and 16. C minus B, all the elements of C but without common elements of B and C. That means except common elements of B and C. So first of all the elements of C except, so what is the common element of B and C? B and C, yeah, B and C. What are the common elements? We have got only 4 common elements, no? Okay, whenever we were finding, in this case we have got what, 4 elements common. So now we have to take what, C minus B. That means all the elements of C except the common elements. So what are the elements left after having common? So 2, 6, okay, 10, 14 and 16 also there. This is the answer. Now question number 10. D minus B, okay, D and B, what are the common elements? 20, then 10, no, only 20 is the common element. So D, that means 5, 10 and 15. Okay. Question number 11. C minus D. C minus D. So what are the common elements of C and D? 10. Okay. 15 not, 20 not. Then 20 not, only 10 we have got. Then 5 and 15. 5 and 15 no. So only 10 is the common element. So C minus D. So all the elements of C except common. 4, 6, 8, 12, 14 and 16. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14, 16. Okay. D minus C. D minus C. So all the elements of D except common elements. So what is the common? 10 only. So 5, 15 and 20. Clear? Pause the video to note it down. Now question number 10. We are given two sets X and Y, and we have to find out X minus Y, Y minus X. So X intersection Y. So first of all, question number we are taking X minus Y. So all the elements of X but except common elements. Okay. So what are the common elements? A, B, C, D, B and D are the common elements. Yeah, B and D. Okay. So all the elements of X. So A, B and D common, only C. Okay. Y minus X, all the elements of Y but except common. What are these common elements? These are the common. So F and G. Okay. Now X intersection Y. Intersection means what? Common elements only. So what are the common elements between X and Y? B and D only. So B and D. Correct? Pause the video to note it down. Now question number 11. If R is the set of real numbers and Q is the set of the rational numbers, then what is R minus Q? So I told you at the class, in the class of subsets of real number, in the class of subset of real number, I told you real number is having two parts, decimal and non-decimal. So in the part of decimal, what we have done? Rational and irrational, two parts are there. Okay, two parts, rational number, set of rational number we denote by Q, set of irrational number we denote by T. So that means rational number plus irrational number will be the real number. Clear? These are the two parts of decimal. Okay, so taking these two parts will be the real number. We can tell it. Now R minus Q is equals to what? R minus Q. Suppose T is equals to what? T is equals to, we can tell R minus Q. So R minus Q is equals to what? T. That means what? Set of irrational numbers. Okay. So how to write the answer? This is the main thing, that how to write the answer. R is the set of real number. Q is the set of rational number. Therefore, R minus Q is the set of irrational number. that is T. What is it? R minus Q is the set of irrational number, that is T. Okay, pause the video to note it down. Now question number 12, what have you to state whether each of the following statement is true or false and justify your answer. Okay, so first question is what? This one and this one are the disjoint set. So first of all, find out the intersection of these two sets. If it is 5, then these are disjoints, otherwise not. So let A is equals to this one and B is equals to this one. So therefore A intersection B, that means is there any common element? Yeah, 3. So it is 3, not equals to 5. That means these are not disjoint set. It is false. These are not disjoint set. Okay. Now are disjoint, same to same. Let A and B, therefore A intersection B is equals to what? Yeah, A is the common element. Okay, so it is also not equal to 5. A and B intersection B not equals to 5, that means it is also false. Why? Because it is given these are the disjoint, but these are not disjoint set. These are disjoint. Okay, let A is equals to this one, B is equals to this one. So therefore A intersection B is equals to what? Is there any common element? 2, 6, 10, 14, 3, 7, 11? No. So is equals to 5. A intersection B is equals to 5. That means these are disjoint set. True. Now let A is equals to this one, B is equals to this one. Okay, so are disjoint. So therefore A intersection B is equals to 2, 6, 10, 3, 7, 11 is equals to 5. No common elements. So these are disjoint set. Yeah, these are disjoint set. Okay. So these are the solution of exercise 1.4 chapter first set class 11 NCERT maths. Okay. And in next class we will proceed to the exercise 1.5 introduction. Okay. So thank you for watching my video and pause the video to note it.